Hello, everyone. Today, I am sharing one of my new favorite go-to loaded chicken bowls to feel younger, stronger, and years younger than my 60 plus years of age. And this bowl is packed with Mediterranean flavor as well as lots of protein. Welcome to my channel. So if you've been following me, you know that I am on this path, this journey to keeping things a lot simpler. When you reach a certain age, you guys, you definitely need the simpler. Get rid of the hectic, and you want life to be a lot calmer and a lot simpler, including your meals. And that is exactly what we get today. But it's still got to be good. And this recipe, this Mediterranean loaded chicken bowl, fits the bill in all of these categories, you guys. It's quick, it's easy, it's healthy, it's delicious, it energizes you because of all the proteins, and look at the goodness of it all. We've got fresh leafy greens, we've got cucumbers, we've got olives for some healthy fat, we've got these fresh tomatoes, lean pieces of juicy chicken breast that I just finished cooking over there on the stove top. We've got some olive oil for some polyphenols, okay? Check out my description, okay, for how beneficial this is. And I've got some feta cheese and a homemade tzatziki sauce. So you guys, let's get right into this recipe. I've already cooked this chicken, okay, but let me roll the footage and let you know just how easy it is to put this together. And then when we come back, okay, we are going to start to assemble this salad. Avocado oil, single layer so that it cooks evenly. Okay, this is ready. I absolutely love chicken breast, the versatility of it all, and you can use it in so many different ways and so many different recipes. And as a matter of fact, I use this exact same recipe in a high protein chicken wrap. If you've not yet seen it, you guys, I will leave the link in the card above and also in the description. It is definitely worth a try because it's also perfect for meal prepping. Okay, all right, guys. So up next, what I'm going to do is continue on with prepping these veggies. What I've done so far, just for the sake of time, is I've already cut up the cucumbers. I salted them some and put them in the refrigerator yesterday. That way they were all set for us to go. And then a lot of that water has drained out of them. And then I also went ahead and I sliced up some red onions. My tomatoes, I'm in the process of slicing them. These are grape tomatoes. They're somewhat large, so I'm going to slice these in half. Then I'm going to continue on with chopping up some lettuce. And you guys, we will have all of our ingredients. And then the only thing we have left to do is to assemble. Okay, now for my black olives. I think these are small enough where I can keep these whole, but of course, okay, if you want to slice them in half, then you can do exactly that. And then the next thing that I have to chop up are my lettuce leaves. And guys, look at these lettuce leaves. I'm so proud of this. I've mentioned before in some of my other videos that my husband and I have a vegetable garden, and the harvest is so bountiful this year, and the food is amazing. So, okay, let's go ahead and give this a chop. Bring over my serving bowl and toss this in a little bit more. And then once I finish with this, it will be time to add on top of this lettuce the rest of these ingredients. All right, everyone, we are in the home stretch. It is just a matter of adding all of this deliciousness on top of this lettuce. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so I'm going to put some tomatoes, red onion, black olives, some cucumbers, our chicken. Okay, some feta cheese. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some olive oil on this, and this is rich in polyphenols. Now, as far as my tzatziki sauce is concerned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into a separate container and just tuck that in this bowl. Okay, just find the spot for it. I'm just a fan of serving my dressing separately. I don't like to put it on my salad. I do the same thing when I go to a restaurant, dressing on the side. But you guys, and here we have it. Now you can see why this has become one of my new favorite go-to loaded chicken bowls. It is loaded with nutrients, deliciousness, healthy things that keep us satiated, energized, strong, and feeling younger. So you guys, if you are on this path that I'm on as well, keeping it whole, clean, simple, and putting things into our bodies that make us feel and look years younger, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please do remember to give it a like, and also please do remember to subscribe to my channel. It goes a long way as far as supporting my channel. I definitely appreciate it. So you guys, this is it. Please do keep in mind that this chicken once again is so versatile. You can use it so many different ways in so many different recipes. And one example that I gave is that loaded chicken wrap. Please do check that out. It will definitely probably become one of your go-tos as well, and also perfect for meal prepping. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you guys right here real soon. And thanks for joining us, and enjoy. Mm. My God. You need to make this, guys. You will not be sorry that you did. Chef's kiss. See you soon.